Well, big progress on the NV4500. Got her all cleaned up, put back together. Almost completely reassembled. I didn't make any videos of the disassembly or anything, but I did take pictures, so I might include that. But other than that, she's almost all back together. All it needs to do now is put the bell housing back on. I gotta yank that off the motor. And put the back housing on. It's really bad. Here's all the junk and everything. That bad synchros. Here's one. This synchro wasn't actually too bad compared. It is fucking done. Completely shot. Here's the other one. There is nothing left at all. The hub, synchro hub assembly, actually had still lots of meat, but change them. Just change them. Put everything new. Here's another one. This one, look at that. Nothing left. Very little. If the damn camera would focus. But, yeah. And the housing is still dirty as... There goes that. Dirty as hell. Found some grit, but pretty... That's just chunks of that synchro. One of those synchros there. I didn't find any actual chewed metal. All the gears were pretty well solid. The bearings looked alright. But for some damn reason I had a knock in it. And I don't know where the hell the knock came from. I am going to be changing the pilot bearing. Because a lot of times, that's what does it. They call it a pilot bearing knock. It sounds like it's in the transmission. Put the rag back over here. Just to seal up all the gears for now. Because all the part stores are closed. Everything is closed in this bullshit fucking lockdown. Stores close very early. Well, that's all for today.